pop culture was fixated on the Johnny Depp-Amber Heard trial that might have been influenced by Saudi trolls. The 6-week legal dispute between Hollywood actor Johnny Depp and his ex-wife, actress Amber Heard, in 2022 was a pop culture sensation that brought to mind the O.J. Simpson murder trial from the 1990s. Held in a Virginia courtroom, the trial revolved around a pair of opposing defamation claims from each other, resulting from claims that they had domestic abuse in their relationship. Depp v. Heard provided material for tabloids and cable news channels alike, much like the Simpson trial, in which the former NFL player was found not guilty of killing his ex-wife and her friend in 1994. However, something that was absent from Simpson's trial, the potent and pervasive influence of social media, set apart the Depp-Heard case. A recent podcast explores the possibility that Saudi Arabia-backed online trolls and bots were partially responsible for the case's media attention and opinions, attempting to defame and malign Heard. A campaign of this kind could have influenced public opinion and perhaps even the trial's fairness. Furthermore, according to Alexi Mostris, the investigative journalist behind the podcast Who Trolled Amber, which was produced with producer Xavier Greenwood and published by London-based Tortoise Media, it might also serve as a warning ahead of the numerous elections scheduled for this year around the world. In an interview this week with CBC Listen's Front Burner, Mostris stated, "Hypothetically, if these people's opinions had been kind of somehow manipulated, then that definitely has wider ramifications. Who exactly made fun of Amber?" Disinformation analysts, trial experts, and a former Canadian spy named Daniel Mackey were interviewed by Mostris. Mackey noticed an oddity in the early wave of trolling. Mackey informed him that what was now known as X on Twitter appeared to be a coordinated effort. "There's no fucking way that was all organic," Mackey stated in the Who Trolled Amber premiere episode, which aired on February 26th. Pro-Depp and anti-Heard posts started months before the U.S. trial began, Mostris told Front Burner host Jane Poisson. This was after Depp lost a 2020 libel trial in the UK against the parent company of The Sun, a tabloid newspaper, over an article calling him a wife-beater.